Hello, good day mga kaguro. So, ah, ito na ang mga sagot sa mga problema ninyo. So, this is an automated electronic reading system, or EGS, or shall we say this is a Jaja EGS, because I developed this and designed this system for teachers who are struggling in making their uh, for preparing their forms, like the report card or the Form 137 or SF9 and SF10. So, I made this video for you teachers para po mas madali po yung trabaho natin. Okay? So, just follow and share this video. So, this is, again, automated electronic grading system for junior high school, because I already made a senior high school. Actually, that is my innovation, my first innovation, which is senior high school, because I am a senior high school teacher. I realized that I'm going to make a program for this, kasi when I was a classroom advisor, I have a really hard time in preparing forms, and I realized that all those data are redundant. Okay, so I developed this system through Excel. So let's start. Okay, so all you have to do is just to click the start, and then you are directed to this. Okay, so here this is the worksheet, or this is um, the content of this system. Okay, so first thing you have to do is to click the data entry. Data entry, you are directed to this form. So what form are you going to prepare for this? So SF1, your SF1, which is the list of your students, the list of the details. Okay, there is the LRN, the last name, first name, middle name, address, birthplace, father's occupation, mother. It's all found in the in SF1. Okay, and here, uh, under sa personal profile, so the date. Actually, the age is already it's naka-formula po to, so it's automatically computed. All you have to do is just to change this to first day of class. Say for example, in first day of class for 2022, school year 2022, school year 2023, or 2022 to 2023 is August 22, 2022. So automatically, if you're going to enter here the date, example, birthday, August 8, 2000, okay, automatically, it will compute, okay? Compute ang ano po nila, yung age. So, of course, here the sex, the average. This is the average when they are elementary. So, this form is yung form 137 nila sa elementary. So, ito yung form na kailangan i-prepare nyo. Yung form 137 nila sa elementary. So, diba merong ano dun? Or yung card nila sa elementary. So, pwede rin. So, yung average nila, tsaka saan school sila galing sa elementary, yung ID number ng school, tsaka address ng school. Okay? And then, this side is, of course, this is the current, for example, grade 7 yung student nyo. Entry mo lang dito yung school, saan kayo assign. School, a district, division, and the region. Here pala, above, it is necessary to fill up the school here. For example, GCCHS. Example lang yan ha. Just address, barangay 22, of city. And grade and section. Grade 7. Diligence. last month of this school year 2022 or SY 2022-2023. Tsaka yung school head, lagay lang dyan. Tsaka sa advisor, name ng advisor, lagay lang dyan. Halimbawa, maglagay tayo ng LRN. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Last name, so, AEGS. Tsaka, halimbawa lang ha. So, para ma-appreciate natin to. Okay? So, lagyan nyo lang dyan lahat ng data. Kasi this is needed para po sa sa Form 137 ng mga bata. Okay? So, after this form, data entry, so you go back now to your home. Then, dito tayo sa master list. Okay, sa master list, diba nakita nyo, automatically mo it will the data that you have entered in the data entry will automatically appear here in your master list. So, dito sa master list po, ito yung mga attendance ng bata, okay? Ito po yung number of days, yung first column. Second column is number of days present, number of days absent. Kasi ito yung data na sa card, di ba? Makikita nyo sa card, may attendance doon. So, dito yung i-enter. Halimbawa sa August, ang number of class days or number of days in a year for August is halimbawa 8 days, example. And then, yung bata may absent siyang isa. So, yan, automatically it will compute. Okay? Ito kasi yung number of days absent. Tsaka number of days present, automatic na yun. Okay? And then, dito po yung mga natin, yung report, learners observed values. Ito yun. So, yung first na column, ito yung express one's spiritual beliefs, show adherence, sensitive individual social and cultural differences. Ito yung sa card din, di ba? Yung mga AO, di ba? AO yung lalagay nyo, or always observe, or sometimes observe, di ba? Ito yun, di ba? So, lagay nyo lang dyan. Okay? This is for the first quarter. Halimbawa, AOSO. Copy-paste na lang natin yun. Okay? And then, dito yung mga grades na, dito natin i-input yung mga grades ng mga bata. Example, 80, 90, first quarter. This is for the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. Example lang. 87, 80, 85. Example lang yan ha. Okay. So, dito, i-input natin lahat ng mga grades nila. Okay, automatically yung average na kumukompute yung average nila. Okay, and then tsaka yung remarks din, yung remarks ma-appear yun pag meron yung average. Pag may average siya dito, halimbawa yung di ba yung mga kung honor student yung bata, example lagay natin 90, 95, 90, 93. Example lang yan. So, automatically, ilagay siya dito na with honors, with high honors, or with highest honor dyan, depending sa average ng bata. Okay, automatic yun. And then, after dito, so we are done with this. This is the master list. So, dito tayo sa master sheet. Ito yung master sheet. Automatic din yung master sheet, diba? So, lakihan mo lang yan. Tapos, automatic din yung mag-appear dito. Yung mga grades ng mga bata, information. No need to, na dito, walang i-edit dito. So, okay, so, print nyo lang to. Diretso print. Okay. So, kakat nyo lang yan. Tapos, balik tayo dun sa, So, yun. Okay. Tapos, kung gusto nyo generate ng card, automatic yun. So, dito lang sa name, dyan, may drop down list yan. So, hanap natin yung name. Ito. Okay. Automatic din yung ma-appear dito lahat sa card. Okay? Dito lahat ng data. O, dito. So, yan. So, automatic din yun. And then, uh, dito din sa sa pagkatapos dito, din so direct print din to, printable version na to. Okay, tayo dito sa likuran or back page ng card dito up. Automatic yung mga appear lahat mga grades nila. Okay, kita na naman ba? Oh, yan. So, yan. So, appear yan dito. Tapos, kung gusto niyo naman mag sa SF10 or yung 4137, punta lang kayo dito. Tapos, scan nyo yung name dito sa kabila. Hanapin nyo lang yung name. Example, yan. So, automatic din mag-appear dito sa 4137. Okay, so I hope na-appreciate nyo po itong gawa ko. Okay, so this is a version 2.1 of my system. So hopefully ma-upgrade ko po to by the help of your comment po. So thank you so much po for watching and I hope you share this. Thank you so much.